Now 1D graph generator, it is a type of electrostatic generator. It generates high potential differences. Then the generated potential differences are used to speed up the particles like ions, etc. So it is a particle accelerator. Application of this type of generator is in nuclear physics experiments. The potential difference achieved in modern 1D graph generators can reach 5 megavolts. So it is a very large voltages. A 1D graph generator operates by transferring electric charge from a moving belt to a terminal. We will see later this how can we transfer the electric charge. Working of the generator is based on two principles. Discharging action of sharp points, it means electric discharge takes place in air or gases readily at point conductors. If the charged conductor is brought into an internal contact with a hollow conductor, all of its charge transfers to the surface of the hollow conductor, no matter how high the potential of the latter may be. How the charge is spread in hollow conductor we will see in the next slide. Applications: accelerating electrons to sterilize food and process materials, accelerating protons for nuclear physics experiments, driving X-ray tubes, etc. These are the applications of 1D graph generator. Now construction. Here we can see the figure of 1D graph generator. Starts from bottom. One number is stands for lower spray points. 2 number label is motor driven pulley. Number 3 is insulated belt. 4 number is high voltage terminal. 5th one is collector. 6th one is upper pulley insulated from terminal. 7th one is upper spray point. And 8 is earthed enclosure. So these are the parts of the 1D graph generator. Now what is the working principle or how the charge is spread in the hollow sphere? So in this figure we can see the belt is placed in two pulleys. So pulleys are made from metals and belt is insulated made from insulated materials. So from lower points positive charge will travel through this belt up to upper point, and fifth one is label number 5 is collector. So charge is collected from the collector at upper spray point and it is spread in the hollow sphere. So this way the charge is spread in the hollow sphere and very high voltage is generated. A simple 1D graph generator consists of a belt of silk or a similar flexible dielectric material running over two metal pulleys that we have seen in the construction. The generator is usually enclosed in an earthed metallic cylindrical vessel and is operated under pressure or in vacuum. Charge is sprayed on to an insulating moving belt from corona points. Require the potential of 10 to 100 kV. The belt is driven by an electric motor at a speed of 1000 to 2000 meter per unit. Potential of a high voltage electrode rises in the rate of dV by dt is equal to I upon C into dQ upon dt. It is equal to I upon C, where I is the charging current. The shape of electrodes are spherical that we have seen in the construction. The charging of the belt is done by the lower spray points, which are sharp needles and connected to a DC source of about 10 to 100 kilovolt, so that the corona is maintained between the moving belt and the needles. Belt has self-charging system. So this is all about Van de Graaff generator. Thank you.